Hi, this is a Rosie math teacher here to help you with what I think is the most challenging problem on your circumference homework tonight. A circular path 3 feet wide has an inner diameter of 550 feet. How much farther is it around the outer edge of the path than around the inner edge? So you understand they're asking you how much larger is the circumference of the blue circle than the circumference of the black circle, because the path is 3 feet wide and the diameter of the smaller or inner circle is 550 feet. Now, obviously, this is not drawn to scale, so please don't get confused about how that is way not to scale. But for the sake of solving this problem, we clearly need to first find the diameter. We have the diameter. We need to find the circumference of the inner circle. So we're going to use our typical solution for that. Circumference equals pi d, and they did say to use 3.14 in place of pi. So circumference equals 3.14, and then times the diameter of 550. So 550, and then when I do that on my calculator, 3.14 times 550, I get 1,727. So I'm going to write that in the blank here, 1,727 as the distance or the number of feet for the circumference of the inner circle. Then I'm going to find the circumference of the outer circle. Now remember, since the outer circle is 3 feet farther outside, whoops, I used my eraser there when I meant to be using my writing tool. It is 3 feet farther outside of that inner circle on each side. So since the path is 3 feet wide on each side of the earlier diameter from the inner circle, then we need to add 3 and add 3 again. So whatever way you think of it, 3 times 2 is 6. So I need to do 550 plus 6, giving me a new diameter this time of 556. Okay, and then I'm going to multiply 3.14 times my 556. So once again, on my calculator, I do 3.14 times 556. I get 1,745.84. 1,745.84. They did say, did they say anything about rounding? Yes, round to the nearest hundredth. That is already to the nearest hundredth. So now, since I need to find how much farther it is around the outer edge of the path, or the blue circle, than it is around the inner edge of the path, I am going to subtract. And when I subtract, I will get my final answer.